El Niño is a climate pattern. It happens in the Pacific Ocean. It makes the water warmer than usual. This warmth affects weather around the world. El Niño is a Spanish term. It means the little boy. It refers to the Christ child. Fishermen noticed the warm waters around Christmas time. This is why they gave it this name. Normally, trade winds blow across the Pacific Ocean. They push warm water towards Asia and Australia. This allows cold water to rise up along the South American coast. During El Niño, these winds weaken. The warm water piled up in the west starts to spread back towards the east. This makes the central and eastern Pacific Ocean warmer. This change in water temperature disrupts the usual weather patterns. It brings about a cascade of changes across the globe. Scientists are still trying to understand exactly what triggers El Niño. This phenomenon has puzzled researchers for decades as it involves a multitude of factors that interact in complex ways. It's a complex interplay of ocean currents, air pressure, and atmospheric conditions. Each of these elements can influence the others, creating a dynamic system that is difficult to predict. One theory suggests that changes in air pressure over the Western Pacific can initiate the process. When the air pressure shifts, it can lead to significant changes in weather patterns. These changes can weaken the trade winds, setting the stage for El Niño to develop. The weakening of these winds allows warm water to move eastward, disrupting the usual climate conditions. Another factor is the ocean's natural variability. The ocean is constantly changing, with currents and temperatures fluctuating over time. The Pacific Ocean goes through cycles of warm and cold phases, and El Niño is just one extreme of this natural oscillation. Understanding these cycles is crucial for predicting future climate patterns and preparing for their impacts. Section 4. El Niño through time. El Niño events don't occur on a regular schedule. They are complex climatic phenomena that can have significant impacts on global weather patterns. They typically happen every 2 to 7 years, but the exact timing is unpredictable. Their intensity and duration can also vary, ranging from mild to severe and lasting for several months. Scientists use a variety of tools to monitor El Niño. These include advanced oceanographic buoys, satellites, and research vessels. They track ocean temperatures, wind patterns, and air pressure to gather comprehensive data. This helps them predict when an El Niño event might occur and how strong it might be, allowing for better preparation and response. Historical records, such as ship logs and coral reefs, provide clues about past El Niño events. These natural archives are invaluable for understanding long-term trends. These records help scientists understand the long-term patterns and potential impacts of this climate phenomenon, offering insights into how future events might unfold. Section 5. El Niño's global reach. El Niño's influence extends far beyond the Pacific Ocean. It can disrupt weather patterns across the globe. In some regions, El Niño brings increased rainfall. This can lead to flooding and landslides. In other areas, it causes drought conditions, impacting crops and water supplies. The warmer waters associated with El Niño can also fuel more intense hurricanes in the Pacific Ocean. It can also suppress hurricane formation in the Atlantic Ocean. Section 6. Echoes of El Niño Past. There have been many notable El Niño events throughout history. These climatic phenomena have left a significant mark on our planet, influencing weather patterns and ecosystems in profound ways. The 1982 to 1983 El Niño was particularly strong. It was one of the most intense events of the 20th century, causing dramatic shifts in ocean temperatures and atmospheric conditions. It caused widespread coral bleaching, severe droughts, and devastating floods. The impact on marine life and coastal communities was immense, leading to economic and environmental challenges. The 1997 to 1998 El Niño was another powerful event. This period saw unprecedented changes in weather patterns, affecting millions of people worldwide. It led to unusual weather patterns across the globe, disrupting normal climatic conditions and causing a ripple effect on agriculture, water resources, and human health, including heavy rainfall in California, which led to flooding and landslides, impacting infrastructure and communities, and a severe drought in Indonesia, which resulted in water shortages and crop failures, exacerbating food security issues. These events highlight the far-reaching impacts of El Niño, demonstrating how interconnected our global climate system is, and the importance of understanding and predicting its behavior. By studying past events, scientists can better prepare for future occurrences, helping to mitigate their effects on society and the environment. Section 7. Bracing for El Niño's arrival. Knowing when El Niño is coming can help us prepare. Governments and communities can take steps to mitigate its impacts. Farmers can adjust planting schedules to account for changes in rainfall patterns. Water managers can conserve water resources in anticipation of droughts. By understanding El Niño, we can better adapt to its challenges and protect ourselves from its potential hazards.